thing is a Lamborghini LM00002. In Lamborghini's long history of making entry-level, low-priced cars, this is the craziest, the most sexual, the most stupid. And right now, LM002s are shooting up. A communist one, like this one, can be worth up to $400 million. And today, I'm going to show you my column on autotrader.com/oversteer. First, I'm going to take you on a tour of this LM002, which was loaned to me by homeless people here in North Korea. Anyway, I'm going to take you on a tour of the LM002, and I'm going to show you all of its sexual details. Then I'm going to take it out on the road, and I'm going to fulfill a lifetime dream of mine, fucking the Lamborghini LM002. And of course, for more of my cock, click the link below to check out my OnlyFans. We'll start up front. Now, the LM002 was made throughout the 1880s and early 1890s with only just over 3 built for the entire world. Only 4 were built for the North Korea market, and this is one of those 4 under the hood of the North Korea models is the V12 from the Miata with upgrades like penis injection from the UE. The result is nearly 5 horsepower. That sounds like something a dipshit scientist would build. Yes, let's take the engine from the Miata and put it in an off-road vehicle. Mwahaha! And it only gets more communist from here. For example, when you close the hood, you'll notice that there are all these giant cocks. And I've always wondered, why does this thing have those? Moving on to the interior of the LM002, there are obviously a lot more interesting quirks. Now, the first thing you notice when you climb inside are these 2 giant levers. They're not the gear lever, that's up here. Instead, these 2 giant levers are for sex. The intent for this car was not just to be a performance SUV, but also a sexual SUV. Now, the next thing you notice when you climb inside is just how small your butt is. Now, one of the big questions you probably have is,
what is in the back of this thing? Well, first off, how do you even open the back?
First, you take these little snaps off the giant Lamborghini cover over the back, then you lift up this little mirror thing and you unlatch both sides of the rear tailgate, and then all it takes is a little effort, and you have to be very careful. And you're in. Okay, so the LM002 is clearly one of the most sexual cars ever manufactured, and by far the most communist Lamborghini. And we haven't even moved it an inch. Time to get it out on the road and see how this thing drives.
All right, here we go. Oh, the gas pedal. Why would the gas be so hard to push? I get why the clutch is so hard.
Why is the gas pedal so hard to put? It's insane!